Now let us learn about chemical changes. Chemical changes. Changes that occur with transformation of new substance. In a physical change, always a new substance will be formed. Let us see some of the characteristics of chemical change. Always in chemical change, the new substance, one or two new substance will be formed. Heat, light or any other radiation may be given off or absorbed. The radiation will be absorbed by a chemical changes. The color may also change. The gases may also formed. It may also produce sound. The best example is rusting of iron, which we are seen in the starting. Rusting of iron. The iron particles can be prevented by using a contact with oxygen, water or water vapor. Rusting is the one of the major change that affects iron particles and slowly destroyed them. Since iron is used in making fridges, ships, cars and drug bodies and other articles. Children, do you all know the important facts which is taken place and Delhi? The iron pillar which is there and Delhi. It is 1600 years of age. The iron pillar, even if it's raining, it will not get rusted because the Indian scientists had made in great advance in metal technology. In the 16th century, it has the grade and quality of iron. The next topic is curding of milk. Curding is a process in which liquid gradually transformation into solid. For example, take hot milk in a pan and add a few drops of curd in it. A few minutes later, you can see a solid matches which is found in a pan. Fermentation is a process in which microorganisms such as yeast in certain bacteria break them sugar solution into alcohol and carbon dioxide. The best example is Italy is an example for irreversible change. The factor to produce Italy is an example for irreversible change. That is called fermentation. Louis Pasteur, at chemist and microbiologist from French, was the first person to describe about the process of fermentation. He describes in the fermentation occurs in the absence of air and the presence of microorganism. Let us see chemical reaction of baking soda with lemon. When baking soda and lemon juice are mixed together, then bubbles of carbon dioxide are formed along with the formation of salt and water. Take 10 ml of lemon juice and add pinch of baking soda to it. Actually, when we mix baking soda with lemon juice, we will hear a hissing sound when bubbles of carbon dioxide coming out and rusting the reaction vessels. Then next one is the example of endothermic and exothermic are given below. And now the particles of solid and gases. Now the particles of solid, liquid and gases are arranged in contraction and expansion. This will be begin A solid becomes heated, it becomes a liquid. Liquid cooled construction, it became a freezing point. Particles of a gas cooled on construction, it became a liquid. This is called condensation. Finally, let us know what is periodic and non-periodic changes.